seeing all the vehicles here. And we have a Porsche Roadster. It's a Porsche. I'm not sure if it's a Porsche or not. Looks like a Porsche. That's a early Ferrari. Still, it's good, well kept. What about Maserati? This is the latest model of the Ferrari. This is definitely one of a kind here. And we have again the Bugatti. do believe that is some kind of Porsche. Porsche GT. And here we have a Mercedes Benz. Black McLaren. I believe this has to be a country somewhere in Europe to see this many exotic supercars in one place like this. Only in Europe or Germany or Britain somewhere you see supercars. So this matters too. You ain't start living until you can afford a truly exotic sports car. And one thing about the financing on the exotics, usually it's a 10-year deal. They can give you, in other words, they give you 10 years to pay for an exotic. That's how long they are. Finance an exotic for you for 10 years. And you usually have to have like 20 to 30% down payment, 20 to 30% of the vehicle down payment. So if you're talking like $300,000, you're talking like at least $30,000 to $60,000 just for the down payment. Probably even more than that. Maybe even as much as $100,000 put down as a down payment on these vehicles. Ferrari here. The F-Trail Ferrari. You truly have arrived.
3, 2,
1. McLaren apple green. That's a gorgeous color. Very, very popular in the Lamborghini standpoint. You see a lot of Lamborghinis with this color. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. We out of here again at the Corvette show, and this show has taken place at the Myrtle Beach, North Carolina area. This is a beautiful C6. Nothing like the proud ownership or owning a Corvette. I am the proud owner myself of a C7 Stingray, sharp gray in color, 7-speed manual transmission, LT2 packages, and she has a red seats. Has chrome wheels just like this one. This one does here. That's a LT1 here. I have a LT1 too. LT1 even. What is a LT? Is it LT1? I have LT2. This is an LT1 here. And the LT2 is come with the navigation system, red interior, and cameras on the front of the vehicle, and cameras also on the rear of the vehicle. And the next model I get probably gonna be a C8, unless I can find myself a ZR1. And of course I want the L23 packages. And if I can't find that, then I'll go for the C8 Z06 and get the LT3 packages on it. If you're gonna get you a C8, you know, some of the must-have on your C8 would be a front end lift, high performance exhaust, and that's a beautiful C6 there. But yeah, you definitely want to get that front end lift on your C8, and get the high performance exhaust on it too. Simply because if you go to aftermarket, you're gonna pay more money for the aftermarket exhaust on these vehicles. The thing about these vehicles, they you know, you have years and years of enjoyment out of them. That young lady that you see right there, she's the owner of this Corvette here. And it's a LS3 here. It's a C6 model. That's her right there. She on this vehicle. So you guys think that females don't own vehicles like this, and you can think again. Like I said, it's a LS3 Corvette C6. Some of these vehicles today are still worth a whole lot of money, especially when you got the the C7. Now you can get a C7 today, and depends on how many miles on you. Get lucky if you can find one up under $50,000. And this is the same color as my interior on my vehicle. This young man here reminds me of my nephew. And this is a C7, I believe, convertible. If you think you don't have any trunk room, then you think again. Look at all this trunk room here for this C7 here. I think this is a Grand Sport base model Stingray. Automatic. And this is a C5 here. You can get a great deal today on one on C5. You can find yourself one. You know, they usually, it's one thing about these vehicles. They usually you can usually those particular